Ever seen a tiger go from trauma to tranquility? That's Vantara's magic. At Anna Ambani's Vantara, every animal begins a journey not just of survival, but revival. Imagine a dehydrated leopard receiving laser therapy, or a wounded elephant finding relief in a hydrotherapy pool. With over 1,200 dedicated staff, 150-plus veterinary experts, and meals tailored daily to each species, Vantara combines traditional healing with cutting-edge science. There are no ticket lines, no performances, only quiet recovery, respect, and rehabilitation. As India's largest animal rescue center, Vantara is deeply personal for Anant, who oversees cases with a spiritual devotion to Siva or selfless service. If this touched your heart, share it forward. Let's celebrate kindness with action.